Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Pushkar Tiwari. Today we are talking about pivot table. What basically pivot table it is. So let's start with the topic pivot table. What is pivot table? A pivot table is a powerful tool in a Microsoft Excel. Means what? It is a powerful tool in Microsoft Excel and similar spreadsheet program. It is a similar spreadsheet program that allows you to summarize, analyze and explore data easily. A pivot table is a powerful tool in Microsoft Excel and similar spreadsheet program that allows you to summarize, analyze and explore data easily. What is pivot table? A pivot table takes a large set of data and allows you to summarize the data, group data by categories, filter and sort the information interactively, drill down into details. Again talk. Pivot table is a large set of data, means there was large amount of data, there was set of data and which allows you to summarize the data. Summarize the data means using the sum, average and count. Sum, average and count. For what? Summarizing the data. Sum, average and count. For what? Summarizing the data. Then we are grouping the data. Means by categories. Categories for what? Reason, product or date wise. Reason wise, product wise or date wise. So group data by categories. Group data by categories. Filter and sort the information interactively. Filter and sort the information interactively. And last, drill down into details. Drill down into details. For learning the basic means, for trick, SGFT, summarize, group, filter, drill down. Summarize, group data, filter and drill down. Okay, so again we are talking pivot table takes a large set of data and allows you to summarize the data, group data by categories, filter and sort the information interactively, drill down into details. How to create pivot table in Excel? How to create a pivot table in Excel? First, select your data, including headers. Select your data, including headers. Go to the Insert tab. Click Pivot Table. Go to the Insert tab. Click the Pivot Table. Choose where you want the pivot table, new or existing worksheet. Choose where you want the pivot table, new or existing worksheet. Drag fields into row, columns, values and filters. Rows, categories. We are using categories. Reason, product. Columns, optional. Column is the optional part. Monthlies, month, years. Values, what to calculate, like sum of sales. Filters, optional filters. Optional filter means show only one reason. We have to the option like show only one reason. Values, what to calculate, like sum of sales. Columns, option, it is a optional like month or year. Rows, categories, it is a categories like reason wise, product wise. Grouping of data by categories that we are using. Again, how to create a pivot table in Excel? In Excel, select your data, go into the Insert tab, Click the pivot table, choose where you want the pivot table, new worksheet or existing worksheet, drag file into row, column, values, filters. Example, we have a raw data, region, east, west, product, apple, orange, sales. We have values like 100, 150, 200, 250. Now create the pivot table. First step is to select the data. Second step is go to the insert tab by clicking the pivot table. After that, going to the worksheet or existing worksheet means where you want the pivot table. It is in a new worksheet or a existing worksheet. And last, drag down into the field or into the area. Start. This is a raw data. Where there is a given of large amount of data, large set of data like region wise, product wise or sales. This is a grouping data by category wise, and values are also given, values like 100, 150, 200 and 250. And last, drag down. We have to drag down these data, okay, for summarizing of data, for analyzing of data and for creating the data. Okay, so how to arranging these data in a summary form. Okay, there was a apple, orange. We categorize in a column wise. Okay, apple or orange. After that, there was a total option that they are given. East or west, there was a row, there was a 4 row. We are categorizing these in a 4 row. First row is east or west column. After that, there was apple row, orange row and total row. 4 row that we are creating for that. East west total 100, 200, 300, 100, 200 plus 300, 150 plus 250, 400. After that, there was a 250. East, for the east there was total sum is to 250, and west, for the west there was 200, 250, 450. All over 700 is all total. Okay, so all over there was a all total. So what you understand by this pivot table? By this pivot table, I understand that it categorizing and summarizing the data in a simple way without using the formulas, without writing the formulas. Okay, so again, in a market we get large set of data. They are not arranged, they are in a raw form data. We have the work for summarizing these data. By what? By using the pivot table. Okay, by using the pivot table. So what? Pivot table is a summarizing of data. Okay, again, now why we use pivot table? Okay, pivot table, why we use, for what purpose we use pivot table? So pivot table used so that there was no need to write the formulas. If we want not to write the big formulas for creating the tables and summarizing the data by using large formulas and difficult formulas and taking the times and difficulties for learning these formulas. So if you not want to use these formulas, not write formulas, you can use pivot table. Okay, so no need to write the formulas. Very fast for summarizing large data set. It is very fast for summarizing large data set. Easy to modify views by dragging the field. Dragging the field. Easy to modify. Easy to modify. Modify means updating the views by dragging the field. Now, how to modify views? Like after summarizing the data, we have to analyze these data. We are go into the deep side of data. What basically data want to say? Okay, data is a raw form. We collect these information from the summary of data. So it is easy to modify. If you want to change or update the views by dragging the field, we easily updating the data by using pivot table. So again, why we use pivot table? Pivot table, no need to write the formulas. It is very fast for summarizing large data set. Easy to modify views by dragging fields. Okay, I hope you are learning the basics of pivot table. Again, what is pivot table? Again, understand, a pivot table takes a large set of data and allows you to summarizing the data like using the sum, average, count, group data by categories, region, product, date, filter and sort the information interactively, drill down into details. Okay, thank you.